So we've got potatoes and zucchini here. I'm calling them zucchini, kusa or courgette. Don't send me messages. I get quite a lot of messages about that sort of stuff. Lots of vegetables have different names, don't they? Okay, with a tomato, deep tomato sauce, thyme, oregano, kind of Mediterranean-ish, I think. Healthy, tasty, fairly fast. Vegetarian and vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here I've got 2 cans, regular size cans of tomatoes, plum tomatoes, 400 ml each, a regular size sort of can. So yeah, 800 ml right in there. They were a whole plum. I've just squeezed them up with my hand a bit. I've got 3 cups of potatoes cooked here, peeled them and cut them into that sort of size as you can see, and 3 cups of zucchini, kusa, or courgette, whatever you call that. 1 cup of onion, 2 teaspoons of thyme, 2 of oregano, and then I've got 10 olives there, 5 of each. 1 tablespoon garlic. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, salt and pepper. It's fantastic, this is really good. Let's go. So I have 3 tablespoons of olive oil there. You don't have to use olive oil, use something different if you want. The heat's on, above medium. We're going to drop in 1 cup of onion. Let's get those olives in the mix right away. And we're going to add our potatoes now. We're going to go for about 4 minutes on this fairly lively heat, stirring fairly often. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to add a tablespoon of chopped garlic, salt, black pepper, our thyme and our dried oregano, or oregano as so many of you say. I'm going to just give that a little mix for a few seconds. Then we're going to grab our tomato, 2 regular sized cans tomato. Stay on this heat for another 5 or 6 minutes, stirring every now and then. We've nearly done it. It's beautiful. It's delicious. That's really beautiful. That's given the potatoes time to cook enough. And make sure your potatoes are kind of nearly there before you add your zucchinis, which I'm going to do now. So 3 cups of those go in. And we're going to go now for about, for me, about 6 minutes, depending on how you like your kusa, zucchini or courgettes. Wonderful stuff, really, really good. Okay, that's beautiful. Off goes the heat. It's almost dry. Do you know what I mean? It's not like a big, deep, wet stew. I love it just like that. Okay, I've got some parsley here, flat leaf parsley. Or maybe some dill in it would kind of add to its kind of Mediterranean-ness. Check that for salt and pepper. For me, that's beautiful. Job done. Let's get that on a plate. And there you have it. Really, really beautiful, that is. I like to eat that with some nice kind of crusty wholemeal bread. But you can have it with whatever you want, maybe some rice or something. I hope you enjoyed that. Please do take time to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe for notifications. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.